What is up, you guys? I'm back. I know some things have been going on, but I'm back. Probably for good. No, I'm probably just going to disappear again, honestly. We're now working up in Gibbons, Alberta. We got a trailer. We're living in said trailer. But said trailer, as you can see, is disgusting. It is absolutely gross. We got a mouse problem. We got flies out the frickin' yin yang. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's a mess. It's a 2007 ArcticFox, so this thing's built like a tank. Great camper to be living out of. Got skirting all on it already, so we're set up for winter. It's like the first week of October here right now. It's gonna get cold. There's so much to do, and it's gonna be done over probably the course of 2-3 years. But I'm gonna try to drop some videos, maybe twice a month kind of deal, see how that works, maybe more. Some custom stuff to do. We gotta take out all these cabinets, redo some cabinets, redo some countertops, redo the floor because the floor is falling apart, redo all this trim back here, all this, take those out, take these window things out, water heater replacements, shower upgrades, bedroom upgrades, some cool little technology features that are gonna be... Today officially starts stage 1 or stage 0, or the planning stage. I'm gonna do a bunch of drawings, plan a whole bunch of stuff, just a lot of computer design stuff that I'm kind of good at. I don't know, not really, kind of, sort of. I think I'm good at it, I don't know. Anyway, start designing everything, planning everything out, figuring out what I need, and then whenever I'm not broke, which is almost all the time. Cue depression now. We're gonna start building this, getting everything set up, because we're gonna be living in this for I don't know how long, who knows. However, we can't tow it with the Jeep, so I'm gonna have to get another truck as well, because this is 15,000 pounds. I have another truck build, I guess. I don't know what to call that, but that'll be another project and a half. The time right now is 2 in the morning, because I apparently have these ideas at the worst time ever. Here we go. This is now day 2 of stage 0/stage 1. Okay, now that you can hear me without the fan going, spent all night last night planning things, drawing things out. Good pizza, by the way. Started kind of just taking measurements, kind of ripping some things apart. So, started by taking off more of these blinds here. Just all along these windows, there's a bunch of bugs and grossness in there. It's very gross. I went to the dollar store. I actually got this peel and stick wall sticker stuff. Looks like shiplap, I guess it's called, or whatever you want to call it. Some weathered wood. Start by cleaning all this out of here. Rip out all... I'll turn you guys around here one sec. So I'm going to start by cleaning out all this stuff, all this edge trim. I'm going to try to peel these little things off here. Get rid of this wallpaper. As you can see, there's some stuff going on here, so I'm going to inspect that further, see what we can do there. Clean it all out, start sticking some of those pieces on. With all the planning that I've been doing, kind of what I'm thinking here, this little entertainment center, we're going to just rip it all out. I'm kind of going to get rid of this too, right here, right all the way down. Take that, throw it out. Don't need it, useless. As you can see, there's nowhere to really put your shoes. Figure something out for all these slide out control switches. Turn that into a shelf, like some industrial looking kind of brackets. And that'll go all the way across to about here. And then this will be a TV cabinet. This thing is too small. If you want it, let me know. Then we're going to put a 45-inch TV that slides up from the cabinet in the back part. And that'll work out good because we got all these light switches here. So basically whole new countertop, whole new like cabinet area. This is going to get changed out. It's an AM radio. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Some dinosaur technology going on there. Throw it out. I'm just going to do some pull down shades from Home Depot. They're about 20 bucks. So do that, and we'll start with that. And then this flooring. Oh, I got to show you guys this flooring. This flooring is, yeah. Here's the flooring. So I bought this carpet just to kind of hide everything. These vents are disgusting too, but I don't know who the heck thinks this is a kind of a fix, but who the hell staples a tear in linoleum? I don't know. Everything works. It's very well insulated. It is a nice solid trailer, but some of these things, I don't know. Just gonna kind of walk you guys through some other things that we're gonna probably do. So this countertop, I'm kind of thinking to make it straight across and then another piece that goes along here. But we'll see, because the water heater is under here. So if I do it like that, we're gonna have to figure something out, because the sink is gonna move if I do have to do it like that. So we'll have to figure something out. I might end up losing storage space or maybe gaining some. I really don't know, but I might leave it like this and just redo the counters with some nice like butcher block kind of material. Do that, and then I'm going to take these doors off of here. Everything else is going to stay the same. I might just make new doors for them, but everything else is going to stay relatively the same. These I'm going to get rid of. I'm just going to go with one or two, I guess, big long doors up here. Kind of re-engineer these shelves so I get more bang for buck in here with all this storage kind of deal. Because, I don't know, the less doors, the less it looks too much. Like, there's too much going on here. There's too many doors and things and whatnot. This is going to be something we're going to have to fix. And then I'm going to have to put a garbage little chute thing in here somewhere, somehow. Stove is going to stay the same. Microwave's going to stay. Fridge, I'm just going to paint these panels. These just slide out somehow. I don't really know quite how yet, but if I could take them out and put like a gunmetal kind of aluminum panel on it, so it looks like a normal household fridge, I would. But we'll see what I come up with. Maybe this has to come off somehow. Somehow. I just don't know how yet. All the walls are going to get painted too. Flooring's going to be all changed to some luxury vinyl planking or linoleum or whatever I decide. But anyway, you can see my reflection. In the bathroom here, all these cabinets, delete. Just going to do a nice vanity mirror. Sink that sits up on top of the counter, redo all these counters, make a little area for a laundry bin to sit. And coming over to the bedroom here, got the TV here right now. It fits here perfectly right now. I hate these freaking cabinets. These are just like, why? What's the point of this? This is junk. So I'm gonna delete all these. Sorry, I don't really fit in the bedroom. As you can see, this is me standing up straight. Perfect. I had this little kind of shelf entertainment center for the big old box TVs. Again, dinosaur technology, AM radio and box TVs. So I'm gonna delete all this, rip all this out, do a whole new custom wardrobe in here. Already put a residential size queen mattress in here. So much comfier. I love a nice, good, comfy bed to sleep on. Otherwise, I just can't do it. Can't do it. Would hate my life. Paint all the walls in here. Got it all. Redo the carpet and whatnot. This will be cool. This will be cool. We're gonna do dual TVs in here. There's a method to my madness. Just you wait. Gaming setup in the bedroom and whatnot. All these lights, gonna have to change all those to some nice LED fixtures. Gonna have a live edge all along the slide out here. Nice live, kind of like a, I don't know, everyone uses the term farmhouse. I'm gonna use the term cabin in the woods. That's just what I'm going with. That's the look I'm going for, like a little cabin in the woods. It's your escape. It's your house on the road slash permanent house. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, we're gonna knock this wall out. Don't need it. It's just flimsy crap. And then I'm gonna do a little double tier shelf here for all the Lego cars. It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be very good. I'm gonna redo this dinette. Nice live edge table. It's gonna be good, guys. It's gonna look good. This, I've spent like probably 11 hours all of last night till like 8 in the morning, staying up, measuring, planning, finding materials. We're just gonna send it. That's how we do every project. Just hop right into the deep end and go completely overboard and overkill, and we'll see what happens. We're gonna start with the kitchen today. We're gonna start taking some stuff apart, and I don't even know where to begin. Also, this ceiling fan. Why? It's a trailer. Why do you want a ceiling fan in a trailer? Like, why a big, bulky... I might put a chandelier there. That's not a bad idea now. Comment down below if you think I should put a chandelier in a trailer instead of a fan. Well, they put a ceiling fan in it. That's almost as dumb as a chandelier. It is, well, it's like how I say today at 11:30 at night, but it is what it is. Such is life. Night shift for the boys. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, what am I doing with my life? I don't know. I'm gonna start ripping this thing right to frickin' hell. So, also, I found out a battery charger for my drills. The bed. Left it outside, I guess. It's full of water. So now it doesn't work. So that's cool. I'm gonna do everything by hand until I go buy another one. Also, another thing, for anyone that has this specific model of trailer that ends up watching this video, wants, like, I don't know, wants to do some sort of renovation to it because it's old and everything is brown, including the person living in it. Racism is funny. Actually, no, I'm probably gonna get demonetized now because of that. We'll edit that out. I will have a link in the description to a Dropbox, or I don't know, something. I'll put all the blueprints that I'm doing in that little folder, or you guys can message me or something, or I'll have it on Instagram or somewhere. I'll have them somewhere. I'm still working on those right now. That's what's going on here. So we'll do all that, finish up the measurements, start ripping all this apart. So I'll have that up for you guys as well. Let's cue some heavy metal and let's start ripping this thing apart. Let's go. Got all that sticky, weird crap out of there. I had this plastic stuff on the walls. Took that out. Previous I want to put all these hooks in, so I'm going to put more of those back in. Gonna have to clean up all these. These are turning yellow a little bit. I can't really see in the camera. This one you kind of can. The difference between the two. Put some new white faceplates on. Maybe change out the switches too. We'll see. So next order of business is take out this trim. If this thing will focus here. Take out all this. I don't know what in God's name that is. What is that? You can see all the mouse poop freaking everywhere. Oh my lord, man. Smell is just atrocious. So I'm going to finish ripping all this out. I'm going to come in here with some Lysol. Wipe everything down. Clean it all out. Painting the walls that I don't cover with those stickers right there. Then we're gonna take off all these stickers. Don't need those anymore. Probably keep the microwave in here. See if I can add a storage bin up there. Maybe, maybe not. Might be able to, might not be able to. I don't know. We'll see. So a quick little update. To take out all these, this little edging, turns out it's stapled from in behind the counter. Solid. Good job on that. Just amazing. What kind of stupid design is that? Anyway, this is gonna be a long journey. About 3 hours later, it's done. I think it looks pretty good for dollar store. I think I spent like $8 in total on all this stuff. I think I used like 3 packs, 2.5, 3.5. I don't know, something like that. But I think it looks not too bad at all. Clean these windows off next, and then for here, kind of left this like that. We're gonna do a tile backsplash, and then we're gonna do some wood trim down along here, just some like 45-degree stuff. Do one in the corner as well, and then all the way up on the top, down there. It'll look good. I'm surprised with how it turned out, in all honesty. I think it looks amazing. Tomorrow, we're gonna start ripping out this flooring. That's exciting. Still gotta wait for the new flooring. Gotta finalize in some colors and stuff, I guess, because then we gotta start painting. But we're gonna rip the flooring out, get the paint, start painting some walls, start painting some cabinets. It is gonna look, oh, I'm so happy. I think that's just about it for this video. I don't know, I guess we'll see what happens. This is a whole new series. There's no real off-roading kind of stuff going on. Birthday's coming up though, so gonna go off-roading for that. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. There's gonna be lots more of these videos, and I know they're gonna be, I'm gonna try to keep them short. I mean, they're gonna probably get longer the more stuff that shows up and the more stuff we got to do. But thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you in the next video. Can't wait till this build is done. But thanks for watching. Catch you next time.